Hello friend, welcome back. In this series, I want to discuss about that React hook and state management. So friend, make that sure you understand that React hook, because that is very much important, one of the topic that you should know. Because in our all that advanced project, we will use that React hook multiple times. So make that sure you focus on particular this section. So first of all, what is React hook? So React hook is not a React any function, it's not any React properties, and also it's not any class. So React hook is a feature in the React library that allows developers to use useState and other React features in functional component. It's used some of the building method from to the React library such as useState, useEffect, useContext and useRef. All that React library building method and particular all that method actually work for particular option. So don't worry, step by step I will show you everything with the live example. Hook is used for manage the state, handle side effects, access lifecycle method in functional component. And that is the React hook that was introduced in React version 16.8. Right now we are working with React latest version 18.2.0. Right, so here that is also included the React hook, so is very important one of the things. Now step by step I will discuss about all that building method like as a useState, useEffect, useRef, how all that method actually work in React. Now step by step I will show you everything with live example. I hope you will like it very much. So next video I want to start with the useRef method. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.